Alright, so now we're on 6S. Let's see how this goes. Truck is dead stock. Haven't made any adjustments. Haven't changed anything. Except put 2 3S batteries in there. Definitely a little trickier to control down the straight without all that extra power. Oof. Lots and lots of grunt in this bay. Actually spitting a little bit this morning, so a bit contrasty from yesterday. It was nice and hot and dry, and this morning is actually a couple of drops of water have actually fallen. Yeah, this is got a lot of grunt. I mean, I love the way it jumps. It just doesn't handle that great around bends and that, because I think it's mainly because of the soft rubber, and also I think the servo might be struggling a bit. I could be wrong on that, but because it does turn the tyres fairly well there without too many issues. So maybe it's just the soft rubber on the tyres that's causing a bit of a problem around corners. Anyway, let's go jump big. Man, that body, that poor body is oh, wasn't even, what? Oh, that's better. When it lands on all fours, it actually does a really good job of absorbing the landings. Look at that. Ooh. Had to correct it and avoid the fence all in one go. That was tough. Oh, yeah, come on. Nice. Very nice. Could definitely use a wheelie bar. I don't know why Team Magic didn't put one on this truck. Maybe there was a specific look they were going for. Or could have been a question of price, maybe? Oh! That was disastrous. It actually jumped on its roof and landed on its roof. I just gave it a little bit too much pep as it was approaching. Stay on your feet. There you go. Alright, let's go around the bend before we wreck it, because it's getting interesting with 6S. Alright, now it is spitting a little bit. Wow. That just floated in the air for like 3 minutes, I think. Yeah, you can see that it's not the most precise driving machine. I mean, I am trying to keep it... Oh, I just love the way these things land. For jumping, I don't think I've come across a better truck. Whoa, that was lucky. As long as you can line up your jump, because that's the tricky part. Wow, I love the way these things land. Both the BES and this one share that same trait, which is really nice to see. Beautiful. The tricky part is, of course, keeping it in a straight line, because it is a high center of gravity monster truck. It has a short wheelbase, and you know, it's designed to go over real rough, rugged terrain and just be a hell of a lot of fun. Nice. Man, I can't get over how well it jumps. Ooh, a little nose heavy on that one. And mind you, I'm not really going full blast here, because like I said, it is a little bit tricky to keep in a straight line, so you do have to really manage your throttle And if you peg it a bit too early or a bit too hard, it front wheels will come up. I was almost ready for a backflip on that one. Speaking of which, let's go do that. Let's see how this thing fares. Oh, watch the post, Jesus. That was a bit out of line there. Oh! Oh God, I'm so sorry. That was bad. Are we okay? I hit the brakes a bit too soon. Wow, this thing can take a beating. And this is why I don't do, you know, I remember a time when people used to say, why don't you do a durability montage like Jang used to do? I don't do it because every now and again you do stuff up, you make a mistake. And there's your durability montage. Seems to be okay. I don't notice anything. But man, that was a massive nose landing. Alright, let's give that another shot. Here we go. Again! The brakes are just so damn hard on this. And I was not getting anywhere near. I think I've broken something. Or did I? Did I? Something's... Oh yeah, I've broken a arm. Yes, we broke it. We broke it. Definitely broke it. I think. I'm not sure. Did I? No, I haven't. No, we're good. We're good. Wow, this bumper can take a beating. We're good. I thought I'd broken a arm, but no, we're good. For some reason I didn't have the wheel speed to do a backflip then. I think I'm going to be able to sneak one in. Let's try again. Yes, nailed it. Okay, so brakes are probably a little bit hard. I may need to tune that. May need to tune my brakes. So you just got to time it. That way you don't have to hit the brakes. Oh, body's a little bit crooked. Oh dear, what's happened here? Come on, get, no, I don't want you, you're supposed to be there, that's it. Okay. Alright, we still have battery, we're still good. Man, this thing, there's no denying it, these trucks are tough. Very tough. Just a little touch of brake, just a little touch, just a smell. Because you can't go too hard, otherwise you nose dart it. And the other thing is too, because it is a short wheelbase, when you hit those brakes, it will flip forward so quick. Unlike, you know, a truggy like the Triton or my Italian or whatever, you know, those cars, when you hit the brakes, because they're longer, the rotation takes a little bit longer and you can sort of plan ahead a bit and recover. But with this, oh, how smooth was that? But with this, it's a little bit of a different story. Nice. Here we go, big jump. So you just want to tap the brake just before landing, not too early. Otherwise, you'll be digging holes in the ground. Here we go. Whoa! That had a massive kick up off the jump. I was able to recover that. I think my batteries might be dying here, so we'll do one last one. And it switched off. Alright, let's go see what happened. I have a feeling one of the motor cables may have come off. So I'll just quickly take these brake pins off here. I have a feeling that may have been what happened, because yeah, I can see the cable, look at that. So one of the cables came off. I'll unplug this, oh dear, what's happened here? Okay, take that. Yeah, alright, so here's the damage. Well, we didn't really call it damage, but essentially that's what happened. So that's supposed to clip on there, or something along these lines. Clip on there like that. I may need to sort of zip tie these and stop them from coming off. But aside from that, I mean, what can we say? This thing, the destruction on this front bumper, the landings that I did on that, wow, I was expecting something to break by now. I'm amazed actually. I mean, amazed, but at the same time not surprised, because obviously I've got the BES and I also tested out the HX in the past, and both of those trucks are fairly solid. But this one here, with the carnage that it had today, it yeah, definitely did very, very well. So I think I'm going to leave this video here, guys. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and as always, check out the video description for more information on the truck, as well as links to my social media pages. Thank you again for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.